winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to noon Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 9 to 15 inches, with winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the Front Range foothills, and Palmer Divide including Castle Rock, Albert, and Larkspur. When? From midnight tonight to noon Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Accumulating snow will impact area vegetation, causing damage to trees and possible power outages. Roads could be slippery and slushy. Overnight low temperatures Tuesday night will drop into the teens and 20s. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.